How do you craft compelling titles for blogs and articles? It's kind of like the movie Field of Dreams. If you build it, they will come. Well, not necessarily, because we need a compelling title to get somebody to click on the thing to then read the blog or article. So you want to think about titles as a value proposition. If I click on your title, what is in it for me? Do you solve my problem that I'm looking for? Do you entertain me? Like what you're watching so far? Do me a favor and like and subscribe. I don't know which content brings you value unless you tell me. So liking and subscribing will help me know to make more of these videos, solve more of your problems, answer more questions, and help take you to the next level. Do that now. Like, subscribe, back to the video. If I read your title, can I understand what I'm going to take away from reading that content before I actually click on it and see what the content is? So it's a value exchange. So the way that you want to focus on crafting a compelling title is two things. One is it should summarize what I'm about to read. And two, in that summary, it should be compelling in a way that helps me understand that I'm going to take away some sort of value exchange in either solving my problem or entertaining me for the time that I've given you.